friends, hi, this is me Priyanka. How are you all? I hope you all are well and doing well, guys. So today we are talking about some worst thing about MBBS, Russia or Ukraine. So let's start our video, guys. वीडियो को एंड तक देखना ताकि आपको सब कुछ पता चले and this video will be very informative for your 6-year study in Russia or in Ukraine. So don't skip this video and let's listen carefully. Let's start the video. Hey guys, आज का टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं. आज का टॉपिक आपको पता चल ही गया है कि worst thing about MBBS रशिया एंड यूक्रेन. सो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं लैंग्वेज की. तो लैंग्वेज तो आपको सीखना ही पड़ेगा गाइस, क्योंकि एज वी आर इंडियंस, इंडिया में हिंदी, इंग्लिश, so many languages are in India, but we have to learn a local language when you are staying or living where you are. You have to learn a language. Okay, so this is not a big deal, guys, and you can learn easily Russian because in our colleges they teach us Russian properly, so you can know very easily and very fastly also. You can learn not proper but a little bit, that much you want. Okay, so first thing is cover, guys. The second is 100% attendance. So many people thinks that yes, this is a worst thing. Yes, this is a worst thing, guys, because so many days are in our life like that we are very ill and we cannot go to college, cannot attend that class. And in the college they put your attendance like how many hours you are present. It's not matter that one day you are absent. No, it matters that which class, how many hours you absent. Okay, they calculate in hours. Okay, so this is a very worst thing, but for that they cannot leave you guys, that you miss this class so you can free or something like that. No, they have that you have to, they have decided that you have to attend this class whenever you are well, before the semester. Okay, you have to attend this class, and if you cannot attend this class you have to do a penalty test. Yes, it is true, guys, that you have to do penalty test. Maybe these things are not in India, or maybe in India, I don't know, but it is in Ukraine and it is in Russia also. So many friends and so many times so many people absent classes, and I saw that that they have to give a penalty test or they have to attend this class with another group. This is a worst thing for them also, because I cannot. Yes, I also do it for 1 or 2 times, but that classes are not so important, so teacher did not tell me to take that classes. Okay, or take any penalty test, because which classes are very very important, and I try my best that I have to go to college every day, every hour, every class I have to take. That's why I did not face this problem. And yes, I am ill sometimes. That's why I told my group leader or my friends that please tell the teacher that I'm not well, and that's why I cannot go to college. But for that I have to take class and take test. So many times I did that, and so many times the teacher think that it's not that much important, and they leave me for that. So this is the second worst thing. And the third worst thing, guys, that is so many language or so many I think Latin language you must learn. Okay, for our medical you have to learn Latin language, and because so many things are there that in medical without Latin it's not possible. So that is okay with us, because Latin is good language and it's interesting. I have so many interest in this language, Latin, and there are so many subjects, guys, that you cannot if you cannot read it is not medical subject actually, but you have to read. it is a worst thing. Like history of Russia, history of medicine you should study, but history of Russia, economic and law and so many things also are there, so many other subjects are also there that you don't have to read, but you have to read because you are an abroad student. And in our colleges in first year, firstly they give you these subjects: no anatomy, no biochemistry, no physiology. Okay, firstly they have to give you these things. Okay, psychology you have to read, so many more other subjects that I told you in my one video, that first year medical subjects. Okay, in that video I told you that what subject you have to study and what are medical subjects and what are not medical subjects. Okay, you can check this video, I will put the link in description. And the next thing is, guys, you can say so many colleges, I listen from some friends also from different colleges, that for clearing your attendance, that class you miss, and for clearing your test which you cannot pass, for that teacher takes you can say like रिश्वत लेते हैं. Okay, in Hindi they take money, they take gifts, they take so many things. But truly I want to tell you guys, in my college I did not saw any of the teacher who take these things. Okay, money or gifts or things, no. Otherwise they gave us treat for summer vacation, for spring, for so many other things, for our birthday also. Because of that they love us, and we also love them too much, guys, because of their respect, their behavior and their all of these things. They did not take any money, they did not take any gifts from us, and nothing. If you want to give any gift to them, they firstly ask you that why you are giving me this gift, and I cannot accept this. These things in my college, guys. Yes, I'm proud of this thing, that this is in my college. No teachers are like that, that give me gift, give me money, otherwise I cannot pass you in the exam. No, they want that you will be a good future doctor, and that's why they want your 100% attendance and your presence in the class. And if you cannot attend the class and if you are ill, they will give you a chance that you can attend that class later when you are well. So so many things I listen from so many peoples, and so many students are thinking that, oh my god, this is happening in abroad, so that's why I don't want to go to abroad and all things. Yes, this is true, guys, but I told you all of the true things what I know and what happening in my college. Okay, about ragging, if you want any video that I can make for you all, comment me in comment box, I will tell you, guys. And don't think that these things are very bad and all. Yes, we have to study so many other subjects and that are not medical subjects. This is worst thing. And about attendance, so many students don't want that they go to college every day or like that. So I want to tell you guys that if you are thinking that I want to be a future doctor and you cannot get a chance in Indian government college, so you have to tolerate these things in abroad, because जहाँ हम जाएंगे पढ़ने, वहाँ के कुछ रूल्स तो हमें मानना ही पड़ेगा, guys. That's rules we have to manage and we have to accept. So don't know that college will change this rule in future or not, but we have to do now. And those who are going or who are thinking about going to Russia or UK, they can go. And yes, this is the true thing, that so many people, so many teachers in other colleges they take money, gifts and all things from student to pass them in that subject and all, and this is a very very big unfair with those students who attain the all classes and who pass the all tests, because this is not a way to teach student, or this is not a good way for a teacher, I think, because they are teach us, and why they are taking that gift from us. This is not so good, and I request all of these universities, those who have this type of rule, please don't do that, because your image get down in students views, because you are doing these things. This is not a teacher, um, this is not a teacher character actually, so don't do these things. This is my request for all of these teachers, and in my universities truly it's not happening. And about ragging, I already told you. If you want to listen, then told me, I will make a video for you all guys. So today's video is only that much guys, and about study pattern I will make next video. So don't worry guys, be happy, be healthy and stay with us. I will tell you all the truth about MBBS Russia in Marist University as well as in other university, from my friends and from medical students, which information I will get from them. I also told you all of these things, so don't be panic, don't think that worse things, and you have to tolerate these things. Yes, these are worse things guys, yes, these are worse things, and we have to tolerate these things as a medical student in abroad. This is truth. So if you don't want to tolerate these things, study well guys, get a chance in Indian government college, then you don't have to tolerate these things and these worse things. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. I saw so many people are not subscribing but watching my videos. So guys or friends, please subscribe to my channel, because when you are subscribing my channels and I saw that some people are subscribing me, I get some inspiration from you that you like my video, and I have to make these types of video more and more. So like my video guys if you like it, and subscribe us for more videos like that. Thank you so much for watching. Be happy, be healthy, and bye bye guys.